today I'm going to show you how to install the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. And so I've already started. I cheated, and I've drilled the holes for my anchors, and as you can see, they're right there. And all you have to do is line your plate up, and then you can mark it where you want to install it. If you're doing it in brick, if you're doing it into wood, it's really easy. You just screw them in. Stucco is a little bit tougher depending on how old your house is. I also, since my doorbell is really short, I used the included wires in the Ring Video Doorbell kit. And what I did is I put on these dolphin butt connectors. What's supplied is these connectors, and once you put those connectors on and put it into place, your doorbell will stick out almost 1/4 of an inch, and nobody wants that. So I use these little thin butt connectors, as you can see, much thinner than the ones that Ring supplied by a lot, and I recommend using those. So these are just crimp on, so I can just show you quickly what you do. You'd slip the wires, try to ravel them together, and then you stick this on and kind of, I spin it a little bit, and then you use a pair of crimping tools and you just smash it right there, or crimp it. And there you are. So let's move on. So now I am ready to wire on the terminals. So first, if you're using the plate, which I am, you'll want to put that on first. If you don't put it on first, you'll be taking it off again and taking these wires off again and redoing it if you're going to use the plate. So I'm going to start by moving the first wire, and this doesn't matter which one you put it on because it's low voltage AC, and it doesn't care what terminal you're sticking it on. So I'm going to go ahead and just stick it on there. This is going to be the toughest part. It doesn't want to cooperate with me. Oh, and I lost a screw. Let's see if I can hurry up and make up some time with the second one. So I've got one terminal connected, and I have this really secure, so I'm not worried that it's going to fall, the wiring. You do want to pull on them and make sure that they're connected real well. So now I am going to stick on the second one, like so. Now, if you've got really long wires for your doorbell, you may not even need to do this. You want to make sure that they're a couple inches, or probably like 3 or 4 inches long, so you have some room to work with it. Now I've got the second one on, and let's go ahead and stick. Now I did this live, and I don't recommend doing it live. I would shut the power off and just in case you touch the wires together, because there is a transformer that you could blow out. And so I'm just gonna screw down one side, and we'll go through and screw in other side. Now let's put on the faceplate. Can't forget the little screw that goes on the bottom left-hand corner. Go ahead and insert that. And it's done. The doorbell is fully functional. Now, I have a lot of tips on problems that might occur that you may want to check out some of my other videos that I've done. And thanks for watching.